Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. Today's topic is choosing a perfect niche for affiliate marketing. Not only for Amazon affiliate marketing, even you can start with any other platforms individually. Niche is very important in affiliate marketing. You cannot promote different kinds of products at once, so you have to stick on one particular niche and start promoting products of that niche. Beginners may confuse on choosing a niche, so I want to give you 5 ways that you can choose niche and start your affiliate marketing career. Let's get started. Number 1. Interested product niche. Promote products which you have more interest, the products which you like more, and a lot of curiosity to know more about those products. With this curiosity and interest, you can develop the entire strategy which helps you to grow your knowledge on that niche and also helps people to get a better product always from you. Here, how much you put your interest on choosing the product to promote, the same interest the customer get attracted by those features of products and your way of promoting. These steps leads to happen a good amount of sales. The consumer who consumes your product and you who promote the product both will stand at same line, that is interest. So I recommend you strongly that you may have to start promoting products which you are interested in. This is our first way of selecting a niche. Number 2. High percentage products. Just you can see the screenshot of Amazon affiliate advertising fee schedule. Beginners cannot understand which products are right and which time is perfect to promote them. For that, you can follow this way. Just select high percentage products, the products which gives you high percentage commission compared to all of the other. Just choose the type of products and start promoting it. When you get sale, it feels like we get high percentage on our promotion of products. This is a stride way that you can choose it to start your career, but getting sales is very important. Now, next one, number 3. Products which has high price. This is the third way. Here, high price has 2 factors. Number 1, a product you are promoting, its quality should be better than the previous one which the customer already has with a low quality. Because to improve quality, it takes more time, more effort and leads to high pricing. And number 2, direct one, the products which are costly and luxury products. You can choose this directly. There will be no confusion on picking up the products. But here one important point is choosing a good quality products. Because customer satisfaction is very important. Once a customer is delivered with the right product and satisfied with your product, he will definitely follow you and start buying your suggested products. This is about third one. Now, number 4. This is a different way of selecting products. Here you don't have to stick on one kind of product. You can select different kinds of products to promote. Your whole website looks unique. Here you have to do is you have to select those products which is not more popular and it is attractive. These products are not like normal, like our laptops or mobiles, home products, furniture and other. These are the unique products and these are different from all other products. For example, different tools for gaming, newly launched tech products. At start, these kinds of products make a unique sense. But here one important point is, on some products you can get a lot of sales. It means a lot. You cannot imagine, you cannot expect that much amount of sales you will get. And some other time you cannot get even a single sale. This is also a noted point. You have to fix this in your mind. This is about our fourth one. At last, number 5. Regularly used products. You can promote those products which we can use regularly because the customer orders those products regularly. For example, pens. We all use pen for writing daily. This is our daily routine. This is our regular using product. Or ink bottles for printing. For printer. When the ink which is in the printer gets over, the customer will order the ink bottles for printing done every time. This is a regular habit, a regular action done every time. Like this, you can focus on this type of products. Not only the ink bottles, we have a lot of products we buy every time. This is also the best way to find this kind of products and promoting it. Here the advantage is sales is continuous. You will get continuous sales because people order those products regularly, so there is no limit of sales. This is our fifth way, promoting regularly used products. These are the 5 best ways to find a perfect niche. You can choose any one among these 5 and select one niche and start promoting products. If you find this video helpful to you, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel. If you want more topics about Amazon affiliate marketing, just type your questions in the comment box and share this video with your friends. That's all for today. See you in the next video.